Hello friends, today let me share a salad recipe with you which will be very chatpata. You will love this. So let's see what are the ingredients that goes into making it. I had some red capsicum, just a quarter bowl of it. Yellow capsicum, I have taken a little more than quarter bowl. Green capsicum, again quarter bowl. Tomatoes, quarter bowl. Sauteed peanuts, quarter bowl, and then blanched corn, that is frozen corn. I have taken a little more than quarter bowl because I love it. And then cucumber, it's very tender, I love it, so I have taken almost 3/4 bowl. Coriander leaves just to garnish, and then I have taken chaat masala, half teaspoon. Bhuna jeera, that is roasted cumin, half teaspoon. Half a green chili chopped, fine chopped, and then saindra lavana. Saindra lavana is one variety of salt, and a small wedge of lemon. We'll just squeeze it on top, and then toss all these together, and you'll love this salad. Let's go ahead and add all this one by one. So red capsicum, yellow capsicum, this is a very colorful salad. Green capsicum, tomatoes, corn, peanuts. You love the crunchy peanuts when you eat the salad. And then cucumber, and then all the powders and the green chili, and finally the coriander leaves. Now let's toss all these together. Now sprinkle some lemon juice of half a wedge. And your chatpata salad is ready to be served. Hope you guys love it. Please give it a try, and if you really love the recipe, give it a thumbs up and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching.